How to turn off repost on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application. And what you're gonna do next is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options there. Go to your profile. Now here on your profile, on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines. Click on that three dash lines and go to settings and privacy. Now under that, the very first section here, you will see account and then tap on privacy. Now, once you click on privacy, you just have to scroll down a little bit up until you go here to interactions. Now, here's the gist with this. So, even though if you update your application, there are phones that do not have the repost feature where you can turn off that feature. So, maybe you're wondering what is that repost feature? Then that repost feature is this feature. So, let's say you don't want to have that yellow repost feature here. Now, let's just go back here. Now, here under your interactions, others can have these options and others don't. So, for me, I do not have that option, but if you do, you will see here under interactions, it will look like this. Now, with these options, you can see the repost here, and as you can see, it is turned on, right? Now, to turn off that yellow button for repost, so what you're gonna do if you click on that, as you can see, it is currently toggled on, right? Now, all you have to do is to click on that and toggle that off, and now you have successfully turned off your repost button. And for others who do not have that option, then the only way to then there is no way that you can have that unless if you actually report that problem to the TikTok community. Just scroll down here and submit a report. Now, under submit a report, tell them about your problem. I do not have repost turn off button. Tap on submit and wait for the TikTok community to get back to you and fix your problem. And basically, that is it. And that is the only way where you can turn off your repost on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.